In this part, we will show you how to install Xcode. Xcode is Apple's integrated development environment. It's basically a software package you use to write apps for Apple platforms like iOS, tvOS, macOS, etc. Xcode only runs on a Mac, so you must need a Mac computer such as MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac or Mac Mini in order to install Xcode. It's a quite large download. The latest version of Xcode is more than 11 gigabytes in size. You also need to have more than 30 gigabytes of free disk space on your computer in order to install it. Now we are ready to install Xcode. On your Mac, open the App Store app from the Launchpad. Search for Xcode and install the app. If Xcode is already installed, you will see update button as shown in the screenshot. In that case, update Xcode. As mentioned earlier, Xcode is more than 11 gigabytes in size, so downloading it could take a while. Once installation is completed, open Xcode from Launchpad on your Mac. Xcode may prompt you to install additional components. In that case, click Install. This will take only a few minutes. Finally, you will see the Welcome to Xcode screen. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Xcode on your Mac. Let's get started.